No, not yet. But what's it, guys? We're back. So, it's this guy versus my
Big Bird
dad
versus Knee Brace.
versus Knee-Brace guy, and they are gonna be doing a 1v1. Here we go.
One game up to 10 by 2s.
The odds and evens.
I will take odds.
He gets it. Big
Thought
Bird.
he was going to trick me with his father throwing a 1 all the time.
He always threw a 1.
I don't fall for
Pops
that.
always threw a 1.
Come on, Dad. You can win.
All right.
And he would tell you. What's that?
Oh, he sucks.
On a ball.
His ball.
Yes.
I would have expected him to miss.
I know. Nobody does. Oh.
Oh,
Out on Mikey.
stuff.
Right? Touched the last.
Yeah.
I gotta get on here.
No, it's out on you.
You touched it. You blocked it.
I-
And I was shooting.
I-
Right?
Yeah.
I blocked to touch your arm before you left. Before it left your hand.
You hit the ball in.
Before it left your hand. All right. I'll give it to you.
Wow, now I know where you get it from, Cody.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta watch that. Is he gonna try to get it from me, or
No, I don't do that.
very passive?
I'm just
huh?
rubbing blood all over your back.
Oh.
Oh, look at this aggressive guy, huh?
Oh. Oh. Oh my God.
That line is out of bounds.
Oh, I didn't know the rule.
Swish.
Sure you want to film this, Cody? Do you have enough film?
Yeah. Ref got it.
It might take about a week.
We may call this.
Watch this awesome shot by the ref.
No.
Generation geriatric game.
Yeah.
Oh. 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 in the window?
No. We can't play that.
Someone has to score here.
Buck nasty.
Guys, usually my friend's a cameraman. Nah, I'm the cameraman today. Oh. He stopped.
Nice
Oh,
save,
nice save by
Coming around.
the loser.
Oh.
Oh, he got it. He shoots it, and he sucks.
Oh. Hey, you gotta take it back.
That didn't count because he has to take it back. He
All right,
doesn't know
you're
the
back.
rules.
There's the line. The crack.
Crack.
Sound good?
Oh, 2-0. The dad. Wait,
Why don't we stay?
that didn't go in?
No.
Oh.
No, that's right.
Oh.
Oh. Gotta go back.
Yo, I don't know. Was it seal out, guys? I don't know. Oh, he stinks. Gets the rebound. Comes back, goes over there, shoots it. Makes it.
Oh,
2-0. My uncle. Him. That guy right there. Big Bird. That guy.
Call me Jerry. His name is Atrick.
All right, guys.
2-0.
2-0.
The king.
Not him.
Did
Not
it?
him. He missed.
Oh.
Oh. You gotta talk like this now.
Wow.
You have to talk like this now. Hey, that happened to me too.
They still work. Somewhat. I don't use them, but they work.
Good to have around the fellas.
Alright, guys, hold on, time out. Guys, we're back. Big Bird's ball.
Big Bird's ball.
What? No, it's
No,
his
he
ball.
hit me in the dink last time, so it's my ball. I had to take a break.
That's
Yeah.
right, I was checking
Wait,
them out.
his nickname is Big Bird. What should your nickname be?
Blackbird.
Skinny bird. Small bird.
Ugly bird? How about the bird?
There's no need to be
Guys?
check the ball. There's no need to do that.
There's my aunt. She's in the window, waving. Oh, here we go.
Out of my ball. One more time, it's a free shot. Free throw.
Yeah, free throw.
Oh.
There
Do
you
it.
go, Alice.
Oh, what a fake out. Oh!
Oh, wow. wants to play that game.
Bye, Skinny Bird. Oh, ref got it.
Right here, he's got to take it out.
Walk this far?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do a Mikey shot. All right.
Oh,
Shoot it.
oh, he's right there. He got the ball. Oh,
Yep.
I mean, you can always bounce it off of him.
Wow.
Swish.
Good shot.
And that's what you call an NBA.
Nothing but air.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Ref got it. Ref got it. Nope, never mind. Ref doesn't got it. Oh no, wait, no. Now ref got it.
That's true. You think he's a little close? I didn't dribble yet.
Yeah, you sign your shirt.
Yeah?
Yep. Sandra LaChapelle.
I think. Oh, oh, oh! Big Bird,
Wow. 2-2.
Big Bird versus Skinny Bird.
Love the idea what that we're doing.
Ain't that great?
That's
And he got one in today, early.
Yeah, me,
Boys.
me.
2.
Remember, guys, you better like and subscribe this video because this is a oh.
I'm ready for his jocularity.
Do my trickery.
Clarity.
Oh,
Off his leg.
Oh.
oh!
Wow, I got like 4 slaps on that. That should be like 10 foul shots.
Skinny Bird was ahead, 6-0.
And it's 4-2.
4-2.
4-2. Never mind.
Skinny Bird?
That's your nickname, remember?
Skinny Bird?
That's his nickname, remember?
I gotta do what Cody says. Bore you to sleep.
Wow. Oh,
Oh!
he sucks. Remember
Yeah, you know where that's gotta go.
that? That's your nickname. You said, remember? You said that your nickname.
Oh,
was Skinny
double
Bird.
dribble.
Oh.
No such thing.
Oh,
There was
remember
no
that?
double dribble.
Okay.
That was no double dribble.
Well, when you handle
Remember, guys?
it,
That's
I went like
that's
this.
Skinny Bird.
Oh,
that's
that's
Big
I
Bird.
went like that.
that's called palming.
Oh God, nobody
It's such
calls
a
that.
rule.
Yeah, but LeBron can take 8 steps.
I know.
Oh. Out of bounds.
Window.
Out of bounds on Skinny Bird.
4-2, Mikey. Wow.
4-2, guys. Never mind. I lied.
Oh my God.
Ref got it.
Got it.
Oh no. Ref got it again. Never mind.
I touched it.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh.
On you.
Double stop.
Out on
Out
Big
on you.
Bird.
Felt like an Oreo there, baby. Double
We'll
stop.
take it. We'll take
Great
it out
stuff
on you.
by Big
We'll
Bird.
take it out on you.
How much time is he gonna hit it? Oh, pass to me right here. Ah, Big Bird got the ball.
He didn't hit the rim.
I know. He shoots it.
I did.
You gotta take it back.
Oh, that was cool.
You like that?
Wow.
Oh. Out of bounds.
Such a sweet layup.
Out of bounds on Skinny Bird.
Far walk, huh?
Yeah.
Look at him.
Well, I take advantage of the breathing. Count it.
Yeah, guys. Oh, he's going. Oh.
I was wrong.
That jaw felt good. What happened? You elbowed me right in the jaw.
Oh man. It works with Cody.
Yeah. Oh,
What's that?
no. Ah. Gotta take it back.
Oh, I gotta get this.
Behind the line. What a fake out.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Rob.
We both suck. Put it that way.
Oh, oh.
Thank you.
Little bit of traveling, but it's okay.
No.
Oh, I tried the sky hook.
You gotta take it back. I wasn't really taking it back, but it's okay. Oh!
Man, am I clumsy.
Oh shit.
Wow.
I had
Stuff.
my hand on it.
He said stuff, guys. All right.
Huh? Yeah. One of us will.
We should probably do this for a week.
Oh, yeah. I can't wait.
No.
No.
4-2, Skinny Bud. 4-2, right? Him?
Yes.
Play a five.
Yeah, guys, play the 5. Oh!
Oh, no double dribble?
Should we count double dribbling and traveling and fouls? That's what I'm seeing here.
A little hands-on here?
You can do that. That's totally illegal.
No.
I'm not grabbing. I can touch.
Oh, man.
Foul is when you like bop, really smack. Today. Oh. Okay, out of, ref got it. Out of lots of Big Bud.
Remember, I played him.
Yeah, he played me, guys. The ref.
Shit.
He played the stuff. He played the ref. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I think that put his hand last.
Out on Skinny. No, I don't.
Because I hit it and his
You
hand
smacked
was there
it.
and it went off that.
Never touched it.
I think it might be out on you. It might be out on you.
Me?
You never touched
Yeah, because you smacked it out.
Yeah, but his hand was right in it.
it. My hand was there, and then you would think. Dude, come on. You know me. I'm on.
4-2.
Come on.
Whatever. Guess it was. Alright. Should be out on him, but whatever. Oh. Oh. Oh! Big Bird got it. He's going back. Shoots it. Ah. Ooh, Skinny Bird got it. Skinny Bird. Alright.
I'll give you a freebie.
Here we go.
Well, I missed
You
it.
deserve it.
Shoots it. Chucks. In the window. Oh. That went in, guys. Yeah, remember, Big Bird played me, the ref. The reason why I pointed it to me because there was no action right now, just getting the ball. Oh, here we go. Action swing, starting to start now.
Oh!
Ah,
Rob the dad!
you suck.
I know. I should not have straightened out that hoop.
Not you.
I know. I stink sense.
Ah,
I gotta go back.
yeah. Should the ref join in?
Freebie. Oh, you missed it. Oh, no.
Out on Skinny Bird. Crazy.
You had a freebie.
Crazy action going on here, guys.
You had two. Two freebies.
But I have a double stuff.
Oh, that's 2 points for Big Bird.
Nothing but net.
4-4. 4-4. 2 points for Big Bird. From Sesame Street? Yeah, you guys don't need all that. Oh. Some dribbling action here. 2 points for Skinny Bird. 6-4 Skinny Bird. 2. 6-4. 6-6. 6-6. 2 points for Big Bird.
point, I don't give a shit who wins. Go out! Yes! Oh, now we see how that got bent like that. Cody, what do you think from here?
Ooh, maybe. No, I'm not Cody anymore. I'm Ref Cody. Call me the ref. I'm not Cody anymore. I'm Cody. I'm Ref.
The ref?
Yes, call me the ref. Oh! Ah! Oh! Skateboard gets the rebound. You gotta take it back, but you can't dribble.
He didn't hit the rim.
I didn't hit the rim.
Oh, never mind.
I don't think I did.
No.
Did it? Could be mine.
What? Harry?
Oh.
Backboard didn't work.
You gotta take it back. That's right.
Oh,
Stuffed.
on a Mikey.
Skateboard. Ref got it. Yeah.
I do that all the time. He shoots and I touch
Oh,
it.
yeah.
What do you have to say, Big Bud?
6'6".
Shoots it.
Oh.
Misses it.
2?
That one over the car. That would have been funny.
Please. Put me out of my misery.
Come on, Skitty Bud.
I wish I had any more beer.
I need less fat in me.
Oh! Ah. How do you miss that?
Oh, he missed the rim. But I won't.
Well, you did.
I did.
Ooh, birdie up there. Nice little birdie.
0 points. An egret.
Stop getting slash out, Cody. No, the ref. I'm not Cody. I'm the ref. All right. Misses it.
Now I got too much on.
Fudge.
My apologies, Facebook.
Oh!
You mean YouTube?
Did you see
My
that?
Out on his foot. What do you have to say for that, Big Bud?
Out
Bad.
on the big feet.
My
Sasquatch.
claw, it was out of my claw. 6'6".
6'6". 8'6".
8'6".
2 points for Skitty Bud.
Hey, if that went in, that'd be 10.
No, that would have been 9.
We already talked about that.
That would have been 9.
9?
Because if you shoot it and it goes in the window, that's 1 point, not 2. Oh. Come on, Skitty Bud. You need a win. He's my dad, by the way.
Win.
Come on.
It's over.
It's over.
All right.
He's the champion.
Michael's like,
Yeah, right.
What do you have to say for that?
I love my brother-in-law. He always plays with Cody. He's a great guy. I got really bad knees, so I don't always play. But I tell you what,
Big Bud, what do you have to say?
it was so good. Whooping his Big Bird feet.
For Cody.
All right, Facebook.
YouTube.
For the Motor Code, YouTube, whatever you're doing. I'm just tired. Peace.
Oh, bye, guys.